playing a song. New cars.
I'm coming up.
I don't know what is it. I don't know what is
Your puppy dog.
I forgot what was the game called. But okay, wait. Dealership. Special offer: 550 Robux expires. I can't read that. Okay, never mind. And by the way, I have.
Don't stop turning
Where
up.
is my
Don't stop turning up.
I need something. I need a new car.
Don't stop turning up.
Dude, I don't. Why is there so much notification?
Don't stop turning up.
Dang it!
Don't stop turning
Okay, so all I want.
I'm coming up.
Oh my god, I don't have. I have to wait. It's for 800 Robux.
Sparkling star.
And oh my
Crystal
god,
glitter all over.
why? This is so expensive.
Let's go to my favorite club. Rich like the queen. All my clothes are designer.
I'm not sure how to buy them. Actually, oh yeah. Drive. Yes, boy, that's what I'm talking about. This is the fastest car ever. Look. Hi, please, sorry, I'm BRG. What? What's BRG? Oh my god, that gave me $9,651. Oh my god. Okay, oh my god. By the way, my friend Badamo played this game. He liked it. Oh my god, I'm 10,000 coins! Oh my god, I'm so good. Okay, all I want is I want to go fast. Okay, why am I'm fast as hell, boy, dude. I'm fast as hell. Oh my god! I love this car. Oh my god, it's giving me so much money. Oh my god. That is a lot. Yee. Oh my god. Wait, actually, I want to race. City. Okay, so... Okay, I've now joined. Okay, finally, okay. Oh, wait, no. Wait, what?
Bruh.
My car is slow, but his is fast. What? You gotta be kidding me. Bro, that car is trash. How many speed did that do? That is just, my friend, yeah. Okay. Oh my god, 2,000?
Hell.
I'm second place. I wanna go first. Go away. Wait, is there any races? Wait, I'm not gonna race. Wait, Maniac just... Okay, whatever. I think Maniac... I don't know what does that... I don't know, I think it's in the... Oh my god! Oh my god, I just freaking... Dude, I just laughed! Oh my god, I just literally laughed. Because I just got pushed! I freaking got pushed! Get out of here, idiot. Oh my god. I missed 2 times. No. Oh my god, you got idiot. You have to shut up. Okay. My car is so trash. No, I'm resetting. But there's a lot of news. Oh well. Yep, I'm literally dead. Look, I'm dead. I'm like dead. Okay, wait. Oh my god, I know. Chill. Okay, whatever. Okay, oh my god. Oh? Are you serious? That is a lot of money if I find it. I never buy that. Oh. Give me all that expensive money. Give me all that money, idiot. Oh my god, I just spent all my money. Oh crap. Wait, I just spend it. Okay, oh my god, this is so amazing. Oh my god. Wait, let me check it out. Change. Wait, what is that? Wait, I'm just gonna check. Wait, sign. Oh my god, dang it. Okay, I'm gonna get more money. Wait, who is that? Who is that? Okay. Is anyone driving a car? Okay, it's just my phone. Never mind. It's just my phone because it's like oh my god, I'm really rich now. Look, oh my god. Wait. Can I buy some car? Wait. No, I'm not gonna no, I just clicked it! No! Dang it! What? No, dang it, I don't want my battery to be low. I need to be quick because my battery is gonna be dead. It's gonna be freaking dead. Okay, come on! Get out! Okay, finally I need the thingy, like the light thing. Wait. Jerry? I have drawing desk. Use that. It's super similar. Okay, never mind. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay. So, anyways, let me buy a new car. Which car? No. I hate this one. This does so bad. I need to go shop. So which one should I pick? Wait, no! Dang it! All of them are really expensive. Oh my god, the hypercar. Oh my god, no. Okay, I can't buy group. Take. Join the group on Roblox to get a free car. I have to join a group. Okay, I'm joined. Guys, thank you so much for watching. And comment down below if you want me to do some more videos. Bye!